how to change your stock OEM BMW puddle lights into BMW Logo projector lights. So these are the tools you need. Of course, this is the projector lights, the logo. This is the box. This is how it comes in, and a flathead screwdriver. What comes in the bag, it's the lights itself, and you get a connector. And you get a, oh shit, connector. Lock it up. Okay, so the first step is to open your car door and locate. This is the puddle light right there. It's right below your. Every door has it. This is a 2012 BMW X5. I know some cars. My E90 335i doesn't have it on the rear doors. So what you do, just take your flathead, and this little spot right here. You'll see it. You'll see. You just gotta put the flathead right inside. Just pull it down, and it comes out just like that. Okay. And then, as you can see here, there's a connector right there. It's a connector right there. So this is the wire right here. This is connected to your OEM puddle light. There's a clip right here, right in front of the color wires. The clip. All you have to do is just disconnect it. It's like that. The OEM puddle light goes bye-bye. New one comes into play, but don't forget your connector wire as well. What you're going to do is you take the pin side and you plug it in here. Alright, boom, and you take the white part and you plug it in here. Just like that. And you just push everything back in, shove the wires back up, boom, and it fits just like that. So you can see it shines. It's daytime, so you're not gonna see it, but in the nighttime, just open your door and you'll see it. Very nice. So this is how it looks. Crisp and clear.